one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a beautiful soft light, and the Lord says, I bring the light of my glory to you, the light of my love and of my presence. For I make visible what has been invisible. I bring my healing love to you. I bring my healing presence. Don't fear, but look to me in this day. Look to me in this season and in this time. For I am doing more than you could have imagined. I'm doing more than you could have dreamed. I am the Lord, the faithful one, the one who completes you, the one who makes you whole. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Trust that I am the Lord who is restoring, the Lord who is healing, the Lord who is making new. You will see and you will know that I am the Lord, that I am faithful and kind, loving and true. Allow the light of my glory to shine upon you, bringing transformation, To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.